So we're in the hotel room here in Louisville, Kentucky.
And it's burning.
Turn this thing off.
This is Xerox. You can't turn it off, I don't think. Xerox, he repeats everything.
Yeah, you can turn him off.
Turn him off.
Can you? No. See, the battery's out.
Ralph, in this light you somewhat resemble Timothy McVeigh, the Oklahoma City bomber.
Put it on.
And the Mets lead 4-3.
We're about to blow it.
They're about to blow the game. We got
ballers deep, no dollar ballers.
We got some beers here. That ball's heading out of here on the way to an area.
Suck me sideways. Beep, 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 boo, da. Boo, shaka-laka-laka-laka. I want it to die. I'll kill you now. Die. Oh shit.
Suck a dick.
Fuck you. I'm closing the door.
Look at this Filipino.
I'm closing the door.
Look at this Filipino bastard.
You closed the door.
First and second.
Can you count to 3?
I told you they were about to blow it.
Give me. Take it up the ass? Sure you do.
Some poor bastard got his head blown off at Hoopers.
Close the door, close the bathroom door.
Bert, I wish you wouldn't drink so much.
And John, run the water.
Hold on.
Ralph, I got a close up of you chewing that apple and part of it was like falling out of your mouth and shit.
I don't know, I don't like this game.
That apple came from Brooklyn.
You can't talk to the father like that, you stupid gavone.
I'll snap you in half like an Biscotti from Valero's on 51st Street. Best in the city.
Hey, slow down. Slow down.
Sex with animals.
Wear a condom.
No pregnancy by butt sex.
Butt sex is wild. It don't cause no child.
Do the drive-thru thing.
Whopper!
PK Boiler.
Pickles, cheese, pickles.
And this guy's so
I can't hear you, PK Broiler! You're on that, Cliffy. Yeah, baby.
Cliff Lloyd eats semen.
What happens if our parents watch this and we talk about semen and butt sex and animal babies?
Animal babies?
It's the Parrot.
I know your parents aren't gonna watch it. They never see anything. They didn't know you're in a band.
No.
No.
I got some good shots of Ralph eating this apple, though.
My Grand Slam came with sausage.
Where's the sausage?
That's gay!
You're gay!
Put the lotion in the basket.
You are gay!
I'm just like you.
cocky bastard.
Hold that up
Damn
there.
right.
Adam. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Go, go,
Go,
go,
go,
go,
go.
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 Pussy.
Drink. Drink. Go. Go. Drink. Go. Drink. Go. Drink. Go. Drink. Go, go, go. Drink, 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 drink. Go, go, go. Go, drink, go. Go, go, drink, go.
He doesn't miss a beat.
John,
Drink, go.
it's crossing out the tape on this one. What does this
Go,
mean?
go. Drink, go.
What does
Drink,
that mean?
drink. Go, drink.
What does that mean?
Tapes, I think it's running out. It says 19 minutes left, though. Drink, go. Drink, drink. Fuck, drink.
Shit.
Adam's just like.
Sleep, sleep. Piss, drink. Sleep, sleep. Drink, peach. Sleep,
Take the
drink.
walk, you asshole.
Cock.
Wake up, jerk off, shit, eat. Vaginal discharge.
Squawk, squawk! Rat, rat, rat! Polly, want a cracker?
The bases are loaded for the Yankees.
Out of my mouth!
It sucks, it's like Parrot in the base.
Oh fuck.
Sierra.
Ruben Sierra.
He's from the Yankees. Yeah.
Still on the Yankees.
Come on, Ruben! Grand Slam!
I don't feel good. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes.
I'm glad I can bring entertainment to everybody with my bird.
I fucking hate you that you bought this thing. John, hold on.
The catcher is saying to take it easy.
This is funny, just gave him like the rocker double ones.
He was like, what's up?
Penises in the outfield.
Rick, is this the only guy the Mets have left?
No.
Then why the fuck don't he?
No doubt.
Because he's going to get him out of it, watch.
Not another teen penis.
Someone else take the camera, my arm is tired as balls.
My balls are huge and stinky.
Balls are huge. Balls are huge. You want Chinese food? Did you order the Szechuan chicken?
Wait up, guys. I got honey all over my legs.
Fastball to strike him out.
He's gotta throw a ball, right?
I am
You know he's
fucked
gonna-
up.
Dude, you need a drink, dude.
He's gonna throw a
Dude,
ball.
He's throwing it right
have a
by him.
drink, dude.
You're 1 and 2 right now.
Watch. He's going to
Suck a turd dry. Hey, you order the Szechuan chicken?
No.
Woo! Woo! Check out my big
Carlos!
black member.
Yeah, baby.